Baptisia tinctoria. Boric says this is a great drug for muscular soreness and putrid phenomena. So, when you think of Baptisia, please remember its septic condition, the septicemias, the fever, malarial fever, and especially the typhoid or any kind of bacterial fever, as well as this is also good for high grade influenza fever. What to remember in Baptisia? Please remember the mind, the classical delirium of Baptisia, fever of Baptisia, throat of Baptisia, and stomach and abdomen. Constitution. Baptisia is indicated for lymphatic constitution. In mind, there is severe aversion for any kind of mental exertion. The perfect indifference. He do not care about others. He do not care to do things in the household work, and inability to fix the mind on any kind of work or job. The classical delirium of Baptisia. In a stuporous condition, he falls asleep while talking or goes to sleep in between the answer is Baptisia. She cannot go to sleep because she cannot gather her body together. She feels that her head and body is scattered in the bed. So she tosses in the bed to gather those pieces of the body. This seems very unnatural. We cannot imagine that this could happen with a patient, but believe that in a septic condition, when the patient go to delirium, there are other delirious drugs like hyoscyamus and belladonna. Belladonna delirium is a violent delirium, while Baptisia delirium, she feels that the body is scattered and that's why she never sleeps. In generalities of Baptisia, there is great prostration, decomposition of fluids, and ulceration of mucous membranes. All exhalations and discharges of Baptisia are fetid, especially in typhoid. The stool, urine, ulcerations, perspiration, everything is fetid. Can swallow liquids only. The solid food gags in the throat is a keynote of Baptisia. While the Silicea patient can swallow liquids, but there is great aversion for liquids. In whatever the position patient lies, that part feels sore and bruised. The face is flushed, dusky, dark red with besotted stupid expressions on face. The throat, there is painless sore throat in Baptisia. The tonsils, soft palate and parotids are red, rather dark red and swollen, with putrid and offensive discharge. In stomach and abdomen, the tongue is first coated white with red papillae on it, dry and yellow brown at center, latter dry, cracked and ulcerated. Dysentery of old people and diarrhea of children, which is very offensive. In case of fever, in early stages, is very near to arnica, arsenic and gelsemium and bryonia also. Please remember Baptisia for its sepsis. In septic conditions, when the WBC count is above 11,000 or say about 15,000 in case of bacterial infection or in case of typhoid, this is a very good drug to the patients who are resistant to antibiotics. In fever of Baptisia, there is a classical chill at 11 in the morning. In the modalities, Baptisia is worse in the room or indoors. Humid heat and fog. Keep watching Homeopathy in 2 minutes for students. Thank you.